Okay, kulungile. Hayi, okay, kulungile. Kuzomoshakala. Hamba George. Tuloka. Ah, tuloka sana. Siya sama. Siya sama. Machachi Kodi la machachi. Manzati tegele ngabaphindisi. Kufuna kuga masishana sekishuphume. Kulungele ninelile. Angazi. Yahaja kahlala. Ahlala phansi. Pusha kuphume. Luka. Bataya. Oh my God. Oh, siga sombas. Bataya siga sombas. Manti tegile glumile sabastani sebego for me. All right, put it in right. Yes, sir. Come on, what is that? Oh, what is it? Oh, my son. Papa. How about your ham? Hey, my friend, jumping one and over. Jumping one and over with 4. We must keep our mind to 1 and 2. I away. I'm going to tell you up to Calagabo. You tell Agabo as a person miss. There's some problems of Calaway. It's not a part of the chat. Security, my friend, my Jalan Party now, Nasi Tabantamia, Nasi Tabantamia, Rapo, the Salabat, Basala Pass, Basala Pass. It's a blue. Abona, sing. Nasi Tabantamia, Nasi Tabantamia, you guys are going to march. Tell us how to pass. So people want to do it. Now I say, I put my ayicela isumi ijaji lokho ngisenivumelela ngithi alikhomba 1 and 2 ijaji lodwa ngisenivumelele alikhomba 1 and 2 labo nje ngicela ngokuthi awuthathe labo abaphuma kuqala ukuthi hayi baphumile abasekho. Okay, asondela kumthinte ngoba baboni lo yothi nje akaphuma akasekho mthinte. Mthinte nje lo aphume. Lungile siyabonga. Omunye futhi othi uyaphuma akasekho. Bawina ka 1,000 the 500 rand. Asithathe 400 rand number 2. Senivumelele ngapha. Asithathe akhomba number 2. Uthi ba number 2. Hey, number 2. Kakelanga. Asithathe bakaphoza la uthathe number 1. Uthathe bakaphoza number 1. Ulungele asithathe kuba ngomfaka mpamba. Sema mpamba. Ulungele ngofeti kala ngisele futhi sipele la kade sikona. Ngela sipele la kade sikona siyabonga kakhulu. Sekona nami ngisenzonishiya. Imesi yangivumela ubaba bongani. Athithatha. Ngisho mina ngitamele baba. Amhele man. Ulungele abafethu kelani. Number 1 and 2 abasondele babonana nompemba la. Sekukhuluma ke senobonana ke nabakhipha imphumela. Siyabonga kakhulu. Kama bakaphoza into yakhe vele uhlala edlela abahlanga. Ingomba vele lazenzela. Akusho mina, kusho abajaji.
Njengamanje ke ngizotetela umeya nobuholi bonke baqhubeke nalomsebenzi siyabonga.